Hey, hi everyone, this is Vinisha, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the top level execution ID and parent execution ID, and what do these execution IDs exactly mean. So this comes in handy, especially when you're dealing with subprocess and main process related execution. So for example, to demonstrate this, I have built a small process. Let me just walk you through the process flow. So I have a main process, and inside the main process, I have these subprocess which are being called. So basically, cascade chain. So subprocess 3, subprocess 2, and subprocess 1. So let me just go and show you the process once. So this is my main process, and I have a series of subprocess calls, right? So let's say if I execute this main process and all of my subprocess start with a no data start shape, only then we'll be able to see those executions in the process reporting. So let's say I have this execution, subprocess 3, and I see different kinds of execution IDs here. So let's try to understand what do these mean exactly. So let me just open this in a different tab. Let me just filter only by the execution ID. So this is my subprocess 3 execution ID. So basically this one. So this is the execution ID of the subprocess 3 itself. Now let's try to understand what do these top level and parent level execution ID mean. So top level execution ID basically refers to the execution ID of your main process. So here, so for subprocess 3, the top level execution ID would be your main process execution ID. So let me just show you that here. I'll just filter it. The top level execution ID, when I filter it, I'm seeing this main process. So this is a way to identify from which main process your subprocess call has been initiated. This is one of the way to, this is the way to identify the main process. So coming back here, we have another execution ID called the parent execution ID. So let's try to understand what this parent execution ID means. So for example, again, for this subprocess 3, the parent execution ID would be that of the subprocess 2. So that would be the parent execution ID. So let me just filter this out. So you see, this is a subprocess 2 execution ID. So parent execution ID corresponds to the previous subprocess call from which the current subprocess is being invoked. So in my case, subprocess 3 is invoked from subprocess 2. So subprocess 2 becomes the parent execution ID, and the top level execution ID is basically the main process execution ID. So yeah. That's it for this video. I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching.